Ian Steed with Southern Boating and Yachting. I am standing on the all-new Tiara 46 LS. It's replacing the retired 48 LS, which is extremely successful for Tiara. But this new model actually takes the best of everything they've been learning and fits it into 46 feet and 6 inches length overall and 13 feet 9 inches in beam. The first thing I want to point out are the triple Mercury engines, 600 horsepower each, gets them a top speed of around 59 miles per hour, and the vessel comes with a range of just over 330 miles. Now, here you're going to see this is their buffet lounge. You can choose between this, their fishing module, if you're a little more action-oriented individual on the water, or their chase lounge, which comes with a backrest that you can adjust so that you can face aft or you can face the bow and be comfortable either way. You're going to see they have their drop-down terrace here. You can always turn this module to face to have an incredible view with the drop-down terrace. Or if you continue forward, it has tons of storage. It has a freezer. It has a fridge. It has a dedicated trash space here. It has dedicated storage as well. These doors also electrically actuated. There's buttons both on the outside and on the inside. You're going to see easy access down to the cabin space. The helm here, you have the bolsters that you can use as a backrest, or you can bring them down and have a very comfortable seat. Also, one thing that I really like about this vessel is not only do they have heated seats, but they have cooling induction in them. When you turn that on, as long as you're in the seat, it'll activate so that you will feel a cooling effect on days that are hot and humid. That is definitely something that you're going to appreciate. Now that we're in the cabin space, you're going to see that they have a full head with 3 zones. You have a standing shower where I'm 5'10" and there's still plenty of space between me and the ceiling. So you're going to be very comfortable even if you're a very tall individual. Now, moving into the main cabin, this is an island queen berth here. We have a porthole there for fresh air. We have plenty of sunlight. In terms of storage, you can see that they have a wonderful hanging locker with plenty of space here. And as we transition out of this, you're going to come see that there is a space for a guest just below here. Now, I know that there are a ton of features that I did not cover in this video, and I know that because they just walked me through the vessel. If you want to get more details about the 46 LS, the all-new 46 LS, make sure you visit Tiara Yachts and get all the details you need.